Hi, my name is Vinay Vijay Kumar. I'm a PhD student in the Agriculture and Biological Engineering Department in the University of Florida. Here we have a smart sprayer, a smart weed sprayer. Is far better than the conventional sprayer because what we have in the conventional sprayer is a continuous spraying on the row middle as well as on the beds without taking into consideration where the position of the weed is or what type of weed it is. With this project, with this smart sprayer, what we try to do is identify the location of the weeds and the type of weeds on the raised beds as well as in the row middle, and then target only specifically those weeds in those locations and try to avoid spraying on the crops. So in this we have a camera which is looking down, and this is part of the machine vision system which will identify which weeds it is, and it runs on real time and it works on an AI called YOLO, which is already trained on different images of the weeds as well as the crops, so it knows which weed it is and which crop it is when it's looking down and it's moving in real time. Once the information about the location of the weeds and crops is captured by the camera, it goes to a computer, and the computer runs the model and then sends a signal to the relays which controls the nozzles over here. And this is the spraying system, and it has like 22 nozzles over here, and based on the location which we get from the model which we run, it specifically triggers only those nozzles where the weeds are placed. So if the weeds are on one side and under these nozzles, then it will only trigger a couple of these, while it will avoid triggering the other ones. So with this we have a great accuracy in spraying as well as in detection, and here we avoid spraying on the crops. As a result, we have a lot of savings in terms of reduction of the herbicides which we use. This is still a prototype version, but we aim to complete the testing of it in a month or two. Thank you.